Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 20th March 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today. And I will also tell you the facts related to it, so watch full video carefully. And it's important for all the competitive exams, so let's get started. First question is, according to the recent report, which state has the lowest literacy rate? So correct answer is C, Bihar. The literacy rate of Bihar is 61.8%. Kerala has the highest literacy rate, which is 94%. The capital of Bihar is Patna and the governor is Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar and the chief minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. Rajvinder Singh Bhatti has been appointed as the DGP of Bihar. Home Minister Amit Shah unveiled the statue of Lok Narayan Jayaprakash Narayan in Saran, Bihar. Bihar government has decided to introduce compulsory sports period and no back day in schools. Bihar's astronomical observatory has been included in UNESCO's Important Endangered Heritage Observatory. Second question is, where has the joint India-Singapore exercise Bold Kurukshetra been held? So correct answer is D, Jodhpur. Third question is, which has become the first state in India to launch an insurance scheme for sericulture? So correct answer is A, Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and the chief minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami and the governor of Uttarakhand is Gurmeet Singh. Uttarakhand will get the country's first electric pilgrimage corridor. The Chief Minister of Uttarakhand has announced the launch of self-employment scheme for single women. Uttarakhand will set up India's first government mother milk bank. India-Uzbekistan training exercise Daslik has started in Uttarakhand. Trial has been done to deliver tuberculosis medicine through drone in AIIMS Rishikesh. The Tableau of Uttarakhand has won the first prize in the 74th Republic Day Parade. Fourth question is, India has signed an agreement with which country to strengthen cooperation in research? So correct answer is B, Sweden. Fifth question is, America and Britain will provide nuclear powered submarine to which country? So correct answer is A, Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra and the currency is Australian dollar. And the Prime Minister of Australia is Anthony Albanese. Australia will remove Chinese cameras from its office over spying concerns. Australia has announced the removal of pictures of the British monarchy from its currency. Australian women cricketer Belinda Clark has unveiled her own statue. Veena Nair has received the Prime Minister's Award in Australia. Australia's Deakin University will set up its campus in Gift City. Sixth question is, which is the most polluted country in the world as per the report of Swiss firm IQ Air? So correct answer is B, Chad. Chad is at number 1, Iraq at number 2 and Pakistan is at number 3. India is at number 8. Seventh question is, who has been appointed as the independent director of Indian public sector undertaking Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam? So correct answer is D, Shashikant Jagannath Vani. Tech Mahindra has appointed Mohit Joshi as MD and CEO. Shreya Ghodawat appointed as India's ambassador of She Changes Climate. Siddharth Mohanty has been appointed as the interim chairman of LIC. Eighth question is, who is organizing the third edition of exercise La Paros? So correct answer is A, India. According to the CIPRI report, India has become the world's largest arms importer between 2018 to 2022. Tropics 2023 exercise has been organized by India in the Indian Ocean region. India has installed the world's first bamboo barrier. India has proposed to form the International Big Cat Alliance. According to IMF, India has the potential to contribute 15% of global growth in 2023. India has become the world's #1 country in milk production. Ninth question is, where was the second meeting of the Education Working Group of G20 countries held? So correct answer is D. Amrit. 10th question is, which country has opened its borders for tourists after 3 years of restrictions? So correct answer is D. China. President of China is Xi Jinping and the capital is Beijing. And the currency is renminbi, which is also known as Chinese yuan. Li Qiang has been nominated as the new premier in the Chinese parliament. China has launched the communication satellite Zhongxing 26. China appointed its ambassador to America, Xin Gang, as the new foreign minister. China has been at the top in the publication of scientific papers. China has launched a lab module named Mengtian for a space station. China has launched the first inhalable vaccine against COVID. 11th question is, according to the recent report, how much % female literacy rate has increased in India after independence? So correct answer is D. 11%. Female literacy rate is 77% and the male literacy rate is 84.7%. 12th question is, which has become the first country to import CO2 and store it under the sea? So correct answer is A. Denmark. 13th question is, who has been selected for the Saraswati Samman 2022? So correct answer is B. Shiva Shankar.